delete Instagram account in just 1 minute. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna let you know how to delete Instagram. Yes, if you want to permanently delete your Instagram account, then how you can delete Instagram account permanently without wasting time. I'm Gogi, and let's begin the video how to delete Instagram account. Yes, I'm gonna let you know in less than 1 minute. First of all, you have to click on this your profile icon on your Instagram, and after that you will see three dots option over here. You have to click on that. After that you will see many options. From there you have to choose this account center option, and after that it will show many options. From there you have to click on this personal details, and after that it will show you the account deletion and deactivation option over there. Click on that and it will show you delete deactivation and delete option. Click on that. After that choose the account which you want to delete, choose that, and after that you will see options like this. If you have clicked on this deactivate account and if you continue, it will stop showing your profile on internet. Now if you want to delete permanently, just tick on that. After clicking on that, click on continue, and it will show you the how much followers, stories, posts you have. If you want to delete, click on continue, and voila, after asking your password or verification, it will delete your Instagram account. Yes, hope you understood that how to delete Instagram account. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.